Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to level up heroes fast in Call of Dragons. In Call of Dragons, the fastest way to level up your heroes is by combining XP items, active combat, and efficient farming. So start by using tactic manuals or XP totems directly from the hero screen by tapping the small plus button next to the experience bar, then applying as many resources as needed until the hero reaches its level cap or requires a session. Beyond items, consistent combat is key, so make sure you regularly use heroes in campaigns, PvP battles, and rallies, since each fight grants additional experience on top of item boost. You should also avoid letting your action points AP cap out because spending them continuously on monster farming or map battles ensures steady XP gain over time. Joining stronger rallies and participating in in-game events can also significantly increase rewards and experience efficiency. Another effective method is pairing a low level hero with a higher level one so both can go and gain experience while completing battles together, allowing weaker heroes to level up safely without soloing fights. By combining all of these methods, manual XP usage, active combat, AP efficiency, and smart hero pairing, you can significantly speed up hero progression and optimize leveling in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.